Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an image ID or a picture frame code for this Scarry image in Grow a Garden 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. So in Grow a Garden 2, there is a new item called picture frame, and you can put an ID for the picture frame, and each ID will give you a unique picture. And I'm going to show you guys the ID for this image or this picture. I'm going to click on the ID, okay, and you can put this ID or this code if you want to get this Scarry image. This is the code 48748663339, and you will get this picture. I think this is so fun, guys. And I think you can try another ID. You can try to mix to get a unique picture. Okay guys, and that's all the image ID for this Scarry picture or this Scarry image in Grow a Garden 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!